tried to roll on it, didn't he? He tried to roll on that. See, look at you already.
Alright guys. 13 1/4.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah, baby T.
Sir? Just lay it down right there.
Little baby. Hey, he was hungry.
Alright guys. Little 10-inch stinker.
Hey.
But hey, it's a fish. There he is.
There you go. Got him? Yep. Yep. He saw that net. He saw the net. Look at you, man. Oh, damn, I hit a button right there. That button. Is it still recording?
I don't know. It's most of it. Good net. Thank you.
I'm glad to see that.
14 1/4.
14 1/4.
14
Almost
1/4.
a pound.
There he is.
Bam. There you go. There he is. Hold up, I got it.
Boat flip, it's alright.
Good. At least somebody catch him. You put all that on.
Alright guys, 11 1/2. No good. There he is.
Oh, damn. Got him. Look. How did you do it? I was right in there. You need a net.
Yeah.
Golly. Oh, God. I'm blocking the camera.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
That's a bass.
You need that one.
That's a bass. Look where I had him hooked.
Skin hooked.
Right there in the...
Right there on the tongue.
Woo!
Right there on the tongue.
Alright guys, 16 1/2. That's a good bass. That's what I'm talking about.